Hello, today I'm going to show you how to clean your Braun Series 3 shaver under running water because this device is waterproof. Awesome! The regular cleaning ensures better shaving performance. Switch the shaver on and rinse the shaver head under hot running water until all residues have been removed. It's really easy, as you can see, to get it out. Yeah. You may use liquid soap without abrasive substance. Rinse off all foam and let the shaver run for a few more seconds. It's really easy and comfortable. And if this is not enough for you, you can remove the shaver head and do this at the inside too. It's no problem because it is waterproof. It's small, it's fast, and it's a good Braun Series 3 shaver for cleaning process because this shaver is waterproof up to 5 meters. This means you can also use this shaver underwater if you're a diver, no problem. So next step, if you like, you do not have to do this each cleaning process or after each shave, no problem, but we can handle this once a month. We remove the head, as you can see, and under it there are no more hairs left. That's good. But we will perform a little bit cleaning here too. Need a little bit or give a little bit water over the head because it's waterproof, no problem, Holmesons. After this, switch off the shaver and remove the foil and the cutter set and let it dry. We can see that is really easy. If you regularly clean the shaver underwater, then once a week apply a drop of light machine oil into the foil and cutter cassette. This is to make a little bit more flexible. Yeah, flexible is good, isn't it? That is easy and this is nice. Then let it dry and use it next time again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.